I love sweet potatoes and I love a sweet potato toast, and I never see anybody make it anymore. So we're gonna make it today. And I'm gonna show you guys how I like to top it. There are so many different ways you can do it. Decide how thick or thin you want them. I personally like them a little bit thicker because I feel like the toppings that I'm putting on tend to be a bit better with a thicker piece of potato. I'm gonna use this middle piece because it is nice and thick, and I feel like it'll be perfect for what we're making. Next part, you can do it in a toaster oven, an air fryer, or an oven, which is what I typically use. I am all for just a simple oven. And you're just gonna put a bunch of oil on it and bake it, and then flip it both times so each side is a little bit brown. I think as for toppings go, you can really do so many things. You could do a cashew cream cheese, you could do regular cream cheese, you could do pesto, you can do anything. I feel like it's really versatile. That's when you know an avocado is good, when it just peels off in one piece. We're gonna cut very thin slices. I like a little bit of onion on my toast, so I'm going to just shred up a little bit of onion to put on top. If you're using a mandolin, you wanna put it on the thinnest setting you possibly can, like even past the numbers. That way it's very, very thin. I mean, I personally like onions thinner than thicker. Like super, super thin. Here's what our potato toast will look like, a little bit crispy on each side. Just going to top it. Adding the onions on. I love adding microgreens to everything, so I'm adding a bit of those. Black pepper, little pinch of salt, a really tiny little drizzle of olive oil. And here's our delicious sweet potato toast. I mean, just look at that. It's so amazing. I'm not completely gluten-free, but I primarily eat gluten-free. And it's honestly a nice alternative if you're just not in the mood for bread, but still want something that's gonna fill you up. I feel like sweet potato is a really nice alternative, because sometimes like gluten-free breads can be so seedy and just so heavy that I'd rather just have regular sourdough.